Hey guys, we're doing another video about how to build some Lego creations. So we're gonna be doing how to build a cannon. So you'll need one of these. And one of these. And an axle with no wheels, and an axle with wheels. So let's start building. So you get the axle so you basically get this axle and put it like this. So the Lego guy can actually hold this. It doesn't really hold it that well, but it can. And then this is gonna be actually a quick one. Then that piece, you have to, hold on, you have to put the front of it in, kind of push kind of hard, and then this piece in, so you have a cannon. And this is if you ever had a battle or something, this is what it would look like. Get it set up. But yeah, that's the cannon, and hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. God bless.